Hi students, hello, how are you? Good morning to all. Hope you are so happy and healthy. Are you very eager to listen the class? Yes. Come on, let's go to the topic. Can you identify what can you see now? Is anything is present? Just try to find out. Can't you find out anything? Definitely you can't find out. Now, yes, it is a beautiful flowers, colorful flowers. You can see everything. Flowers, grass, etc. etc. Who helps us to see all this? Can you say who helps us? Definitely it is light. What is light? Light is nothing but it is a form of energy. How does it travel? It travels in the form of waves as it has wavelength, frequency, etc. etc. Who gives us light? Sun. Yes, the main source of light is sun. So we call the sun as a luminous object. Sun is nothing but star. So all the stars are called as luminous object. If we consider other than that, they can't give its own light. So they are called as non-luminous object. If we consider the path of light, it will be indicated by a ray. So we call this as a ray of light. A collection of ray is called as beam of light or beam of rays. Light travels means it must have a speed. The speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. We can't imagine. Within 1 second, it can cover a distance of 3 into 10 power 8. How do you find out the speed? With the formula c is equal to lambda mu. Lambda is wavelength, mu is the frequency. If you see the path of light, it will be always straight. In lower class, you might have done the experiment, which proves that light always travels in a straight line. The light is made up of different colors of different wavelengths. So, coming to the property, light is nothing but energy. It travels in a straight line. It does not need medium to travel. That's all. Just see that picture. How does the pencil looks like? It look like bend at some point. Why does it appear like this? Can you guess? Do you have any idea? See these pictures, the arrow look reversible. All these are because of refraction. Refraction is nothing but a light travels from one medium to another medium. It bends its path. The bending of path when it travels from one medium to another medium is called as a refraction. It has two laws: the incident light, the refracted, the normal, all lies in the same plane. The angle of incident and angle of refraction as ratio. The ratio between sin I by sin r is constant. That is called refractive index. This is called as Snell's law. So we have two laws of refraction. You may understand that. If a ray travels from rarer to denser, the deviated ray is towards the normal. Vice versa, if it travels from denser to rarer, it deviated away from the normal. If a light comes from the sun, it is called as a composite light because when it passes the sunlight towards the prism, the single light is split into different colors. So we can say sun is a source of composite light. Different colors can be remembered with the help of word called Vibziar. So that is the best example is rainbow. It is also called as a Vibziar. The color from violet to red will be present. The violet will be deviated to greater extent than that of red. Also, if we see the sunlight travels towards the atmosphere, the particle present in the atmosphere deviate the sunlight rays into different direction. The process of splitting the sunlight into all direction is called scattering. The particle is called scatterer. We have two type of scattering, elastic scattering and inelastic scattering. The atoms and molecules of the gas scatter the sunlight, then it is called Rayleigh scattering. The Rayleigh scattering is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the wavelength of the light. So, the blue color is scattered more during the daytime as it has lower wavelengths. So, the sky looks blue. If the diameter of the scatterer is equal or larger than the wavelength of the light, then the scattering is called misscattering. It will be produced by the lower level of the clouds. Just see the picture. This also scattering. The colloidal particles scatter the light. That is called Tyndall scattering. Parallel beam of monochromatic light passes through gas or liquid. The scattered light contains frequency other than that of incident frequency. This is called Raman scattering or Raman effect. The frequency which is equal to the incident frequency is called Raman line. Lesser and greater frequency are called stroke and anti-stroke line. Yes, students, you might have somewhat clear idea about light. Go through the topic and have doubt, ask me. Thank you so much, viewers. Thank you.